Title: Decoding the Success Formula, the intersection of hard work, talent, and luck. Success is often seen as the pinnacle of achievement, the culmination of hard work, talent, and a stroke of luck. But what truly defines success, and how do individuals navigate their way to the top? Let's delve into the intricate balance of these factors and explore how they shape the journeys of celebrities, sportspersons, businessmen, politicians, and more. 100% hard work plus 0% talent plus 0% luck hard to survive. This formula highlights the essence of relentless effort in the face of adversity. Individuals who rely solely on hard work without innate talent or luck find themselves struggling to make ends meet. Take the example of J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before finding success with the Harry Potter series. Her perseverance in the face of rejection epitomizes the notion that sheer hard work can pave the way for success, even in the absence of talent or luck. 2. 100% talent plus 0% hard work plus 0% luck easy to survive. Talent alone can open doors to success, but it often requires nurturing and dedication to reach its full potential. Athletes like LeBron James, with his natural basketball prowess, exemplify this formula. However, without the discipline and hard work to hone their skills, even the most talented individuals may struggle to maintain their success in the long run. 3. 50% hard work plus 25% talent plus 25% luck equals sustainable. Sustainability and success often stems from a balanced combination of hard work, talent, and luck. Business moguls like Elon Musk embody this formula with their visionary ideas, tireless work ethic, and occasional strokes of luck propelling them to consistent success. While luck may play a role in opening doors, it's the relentless effort and inherent talent that sustain their achievements over time. Therefore, 50% talent plus 25% hard work, 25% luck was closer to success. This formula highlights the synergy between talent, hard work, and luck, bringing individuals closer to their goals. Consider the journey of Oprah Winfrey, whose innate talent for communication, coupled with her unwavering determination and fortuitous opportunities, propelled her to become one of the most influential media personalities of our time. While talent may lay the foundation, it's the combination of hard work and luck that propels individuals towards success. There are 5. 50% luck plus 25% talent plus 25% hard work, success. Luck, often viewed as the wild card in the equation, can indeed tip the scales in favor of success. Politicians like Barack Obama, who rose from relative obscurity to become the President of the United States, attribute a portion of their success to serendipitous opportunities and fortunate circumstances. However, without the underlying talent and diligent effort to capitalize on these opportunities, luck alone is insufficient to sustain long-term success. In conclusion, success is a multifaceted phenomenon that encompasses a delicate interplay of hard work, talent, and luck. While each factor holds its significance, it's the harmonious integration of these elements that paves the way for enduring achievements. By understanding and harnessing the power of this success formula, individuals from all walks of life can chart their course towards realizing their dreams and aspirations.